EagleRidge, transforming kitchens in Antelope Island, Utah. EagleRidge is your trusted partner for kitchen remodeling in Antelope Island, Utah. Whether you're looking for a modern upgrade or a complete transformation, we specialize in creating functional and stylish kitchens that align with your vision. Our expert team focuses on efficient space planning, high-quality craftsmanship, and premium materials to ensure lasting results. From custom cabinetry and countertops to innovative lighting and smart appliances, we bring your dream kitchen to life. We prioritize durability, sustainability, and seamless integration with your home's aesthetics. Our satisfied customers appreciate our attention to detail, timely completion, and clear communication throughout the project. Ready to enhance your kitchen? Call 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com today.